It's here for Memamuni Akwaba, a Bam Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So, Memamuni Akwaba, Bam Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So, Asema Ebano, Anochi Supremo, Sena, Owaba, it's here for Bosha, Nebaba, no, yese, with D 9 years. Anochi Supremo, a year fear for. Ne brother ene bekan o say ne baba no onim say ne papa ewu na wo hwe se ne etia o muntumi enkantre no otherwise ebe ha ne pa o hwe se ne eya baba omo ne omo papa o hwe link ade bia eya da baba ne omo papa ntemu a etifo o hwe a ebe ye den papa ebe ye den so mbeka tre no na ne brother ekasai ewo Power FM and now make it known to the public say ne baba ne kra no omuntumi enkantre no say eye ne papa ewu the only man say ne papa etu kwan a okwa abrochia obeba etiefo sisisia no asemu senior ebesi na nkola so mo ebie school there obviously oko school a nkola ana wabeti say obi kan ewo school obefia no we be say yesi da ewu eyampa etiefo we ni asema eba na minwidi ni ehwe ensem potia omokan say the family of the Daddy Lumba look-alike Kwame Anochi, also known as Anochi Supremo, says they are yet to inform the 9-year-old daughter of the late musician. Anochi Supremo died earlier this week in India, where he had undergone a successful surgery to get rid of a tumor. He is reported to have suffered a cardiac arrest and died on Wednesday. The body of the late musician is yet to be brought home for burial, but his family is finding it difficult to inform his daughter. Speaking in an interview with Ajiman Prempe on Power Entertainment on Power 97.9 FM on Saturday, Anochi's brother Augustine Bafo narrated how the family was grieving. And say, we are hit by the death of our brother. He left behind a wife and a daughter, and we have not informed his daughter, he said. Augustine said his brother was a hard-working man, adding he was a good person. He did not segregate. He had the progress of humanity at heart. In fact, we have lost a true person. Nadia all can say nebra no oyobia na ompe ntitimu de bia oka nkrofo bom ntokwa bia ba na waka nkrofo abom ntino oyobia na oye ni papa na trese osanso ye hard worker na trese oye dwumaden etiefo na omo se omo nim se ne ombe kantre eye omo nkantre eye ne baba no 9 years omo nkantre ne baba no na abohwa ebeye den BBC no kwakatre na it can torment her. Ocean age 9 years etiefo BBC no kwakatre na it can really torment her for the rest of her life ntino etiefo senior wa onim se Ghana ye no ombe katre ne se ne papa etukwan akwa brochi na later no abenyi a na ono abe realize say oh say ne papa ewu ana say ne papa efimeti for we ni asema nkofo bebre edi hu ya say oh say Anochi Supremo ika na owoyere esanso woba ne ba trese we di eye 9 years etiefo we ni asema edaho na still on Anochi Supremo no still ne body ewo India yenya fan ba Ghana ye still ne body ewo India na wo hwe sika India for bo kai da ho a say ye settle answer ye release body ne ba etiefo enye ka ketwa na India for ne say ye tia $36,000 etiefo $36,000 needed to settle the late Anochi Supremo's hospital bills and fly body to Ghana. Na oshe kawe da ho answer India hospital no me releasing a body na and yes more. Now manager of the late highlight singer Anochi Supremo, Isaac Kwabena Zakaria, is appealing to all Ghanaians to contribute financially to help the family of the musician retrieve his mortal remains from the hospital in India. The young highlife musician was battling for his life at the Rabindranath Tagore International Institute of Cardiac Sciences, Mukandapu in India. Oshe hospital no koena edintintin no now undergoing surgery to remove a brain tumor. The artist, affectionately known as Daddy Lumba Jr., was diagnosed with an illness after experiencing severe headache that affected his eye and was therefore flown overseas to receive medical attention. He passed away on Wednesday, January 30th, 2019, after surviving the surgery but reportedly developing a sudden cardiac arrest which claimed his life. Now, what should I notice Supreme Nansem na Japan because Yaria a bona oko India hono Yaria no de omo twaso omo sane Yaria pan say successfully no mu YouTube no but so sha Yaria fufra na eni ne sokra ene na ebeku no cardiac arrest yebeka no heart attack. Na etie for sure very serious say obi akọ abrochire and awakọ India say yengo sane yare na sa yare no wenya yare say wie oda empane so atre say all recover na yare fufu bi abapa ebeku no etie for na so according to the late musician's manager, who is still in India, ensuring the corpse is released by the hospital and returned to Ghana for a befitting burial, there are some outstanding arrears that need to be paid before the authorities of the hospital will give the body to the family. He noted that the hospital bills that have to be paid amount to $21,000, and this amount excludes the cost involved in flying the mortal remains to Ghana. It is left with $21,000 after some people donated some amount to foot the bill while Anochi Supremo was receiving treatment. The total amount of money we spent plus the $21 will amount to $36,000 and something. And the hospital is demanding the payments before they release the body. Yet for obviously hospital no so mu say the body ne ma na mu ntiaka che say yesika ne yenya intino almost say say mu tia $36,000 na mu tia na ye body no amamo na mo de ko na through the family has to raise the $21,000. It doesn't mean the late musician will finally touch down on the soil of Ghana. The manager further disclosed and explained to host Kwame on NIT FM's Entertainment Ghana on Monday, February 4, 2019 that there are other procedures that need to be followed, which also demand financial help. Now, Sikano enye $36,000 no. Obi beka say na hospital no mo say omo carry $21,000. Jade no mo je 36. So say enye no pe. Wo hwe omo jaya efunu no say nyomo de beba ne nyama ne na so mutia. Na he said about $2,000 has to be ready for the body to be prepared for transfer to Ghana, and this amount also doesn't include the cost to fly the corpse. It's here for Bosha a kapan e da hono na detailing the host on what needs to be done to ensure the body arrives in the country in peace. The manager said, "We have to contact Ghana Customs to know the processes to undertake to bring the body. After raising the money for the undertaker in charge of the corpse, which is $2,019, we have to also think about how to foot the bill for the flight that will convey it. I'm also told that there are other financial needs that must be met when the body arrives in Ghana, but we are in talks to cover all the financial costs." Now we share senior omo country say eka bebre wo ho so mo contact customs no mo hu senior body no betumi dia ba because corps there untumi fan ko she plane mu keke se wo de ba dabi je so mo contact custom no mo try mo say plane we say mo to me defa and your special plane bia ye de yes efunu shame eba intino some contact your money no mo kana. He appealed with Ghanaians and sympathizers of the late musician to contribute their quota to help bring Anochi Supremo's remains back home. Not to say yesre amansan say Anochi Supremo no yesre amansan say monfa sikambra na senia munya mo ye ya mo tre odo ne de no ekọ India na yakosa ne yare a enyamba so no yesre mo ye hia sika sisia na yesanso de Anochi Supremo body na banatre say yaba ebesie no na we mu na another pandit entertainment pandits be kase send Anochi Supremo sika no den no ono de obesusu say Anochi Supremo body no omo nhye no ewo India ho te say omo ben the body no ewo India ho na omo fa ashes no onso omo ben na ebedane ashes na ashes no mo de gu container mu no mo de abaga na ha because eno no less na sika bebrewe omo susu se ebeye den se Ghana for benya ama Anarchy Supremo ninti no the AC de omo body no sana entertainment panelists bi ana pundits bi eka na ye friend Nana Kwame Jan or entertainment pundits all can in some way. Now me read it last week. It was reported on various news platforms about the death of Anarchy Supremo. According to Nana Kwame Jan, a person say Anarchy Supremo body no okasa Adom Entertainment hall na okase all other things being equal, the family of Anarchy Supremo should start considering the cremating his body. You know, you can't cremating his body and actually say body no. Now, if you are cremating no, a sikafo bebre and no more years are the way. Once a sikafo bebre, mususu say, if you muwa, beso mufunu no go for beba be ye nsem wo ho ntino. A sikafo bebre, and some number no metro well say, oh mi wa, me funu no, mon sheno, na mo fengu container mu. And not just say yen kosie no because omo de gu container mo omo de be kwa reserve we bia ne dan bi mu ana ne fie bi mu nti no eno san no ombe save all the hassle of burial ne san sending na nti no pandit we all can say Anarchy Supremo body no yen cremating not say yen shin and not say ashes no yen fengu container bi mu ene de ye de ba eno ano no na bo hwe Ghana ha say ya this particular process say ye she body no and she dan ya common wa Ghana ha say nti no me assure say Anarchy Supremo family no omo ntumi enti asese omo mpene because BBC no enya common e wa Ghana ha but abrochi okwa very common and Ghana ha sika 411 bi no mu wa omo ma ye omo body ne sa nti na tie for we ne nsema eda ho Anarchy Supremo we ne nsema eda ho na senior medin kan the first story no enopa na me no very touching say the 9-year-old daughter say onim the air course no etie for trewadwen e wo comment box ni mo medase